This is Anna here. I just want to show you this planter that I'm making. It's actually for my son, and it's a very specific design that he wanted and size and everything. So I had worked with a shrink ruler to measure and make sure that he's gonna have this on a windowsill in his office, and he had to fit a specific dimension. So I made it. I'm gonna turn you around so I can explain here. So I made it so that it's narrow and long because if it was a round piece, I couldn't really make it big enough to fit. So we thought that we worked out a plan that this would work best for his plant that he wanted. Also, it's hand built, as you saw in the video, that it was attached, so the base was just a flat oval slab that I turned the edges to make a built-in tray to catch the water, and I'm waiting until it dries just a little bit more so that I can put holes on the bottom so that the water will just drain to here. This will catch the tray, and this is going to be there's a thing to this. It's a game that he plays. So what I'm going to do is, this is gonna be all coil work. So I'm gonna make almost like a framed painted area right here. Hope you guys can see. So it will be a painted area here that's going to look like a woodsy area, and the far part's gonna be painted castle, and it's gonna have leaves and a bunch of other stuff. So you're really gonna see this thing transform. But I just wanted to give you just the basic idea of the form that I used. I tried to flare the edge a little bit, so it's not just a straight wall. So it's a little bit flared. I am gonna put something here on each side, almost like a little handle here, just for decorative piece. So basically that is the idea, but I am going to keep working, and you guys can follow me and see everything that I'm doing that's going to really make this piece a really special planter. And I'm looking forward to really paint this. But so it's gonna be painted, the panel, but a lot of hand built stuff, sculpted pieces that goes in here. So I think it's gonna be pretty cool.